So, whether you're a video agency or producer, a marketing agency, a UGC creator, whatever it might be, you're probably going to want to have a load of video on your marketing site. And the one problem you can have with that is that it can slow your site down a lot. It can be tricky to work with video, it can be tricky to customize it. So, I'm going to show you a tool that means you can add as much video as you want to your site. It's going to keep it really fast and it's all super customizable, and you don't need to know any code at all. You just customize it and then drop it into your site. So, this is an example on a Squarespace site, but it works with any website builder. You can add in custom carousels that are designed to match your site. You can add in grid layouts, pop-ups, all sorts of different things. It looks great on desktop and it looks great on mobile too. You've got these great swipeable carousels, all the global controls of muting and unmuting the video. And then you can also even do these carousels that pop up into a full screen experience like TikTok or Instagram. And again, all completely customizable in terms of captions, buttons, logos, uh, pretty much everything you can think of, but none of it with code. So I'm going to jump into exactly how you do this. Only takes a few minutes. So, as I mentioned, I'm doing this demo today in Squarespace, but you can literally use this with absolutely any website builder. You can use it with a custom website. It can be used anywhere pretty much. All of the customizations and everything I'm going to show you is all done within Clipara, and then you can just paste it into your site. So, the tool we're using is Clipara. You can sign up and create an account. And once you're in the account, the different collections of videos are called campaigns. So you can add content into your video library. You can also add images and then just create a campaign. And you're going to use an on site, and we're going to use inline for the first example. And also, you can upload your videos. You can upload videos in bulk and just drop in all the videos you're going to use in here. And then let's select a handful of videos to put into this carousel. And then we are going to create campaign. You have a bunch of kind of design templates that you can use here, or you can just start from scratch. In this instance, I'm going to start this one from scratch. And then we are in the editor of the campaign. So I'm going to do this exactly in the example, the start of the example I showed you. So I'm going to change the play button to this minimalist style that matches my site. I'm going to move that into the bottom left. And then in my example, I also had some titles. So I'm going to add some titles into this video. Just as an example, type these. And then you have your titles set up on your videos. You can adjust the positioning of them, and also adjust the sizes. You can add in subtitles below them as well if you want more context. It will automatically adapt to the font of your site, but you can also add in the font family if you want. And if we go back to design, there's a bunch of other stuff that you can customize depending on the number of videos you have in your campaign. If we change the layout, for example, we can swap it to an overlap. Let's get the navigation buttons and let's have them sitting below center, for example. So there's tons of ways you can customize this. Let's go for something a bit more funky. And then all you got to do is hit save, copy the code snippet, and this will work on any website builder. Head into your site, and then let's add in a new section. Obviously, this is just unique to Squarespace, but you can do this anywhere. Add a blank section. And then you're just going to use the embed functionality on your website builder. So I'm just going to embed this code snippet. I'm going to drag this so that it's full width of the page. Edit. Paste in the code. And then there you have your new carousel. So it's as simple as that. And then if you want to customize it, if you want to change the thumbnails, change the video, update it, keep it refreshed, again, you can make all those changes without ever touching any code. You just go back into Clipara and adjust the content or adjust the thumbnails, make design changes, hit save again, and that will update live on your site. And so you can add in as many of these carousels or grids or whatever it might be onto your site. And even if you end up with 60, 70 videos on your page is still going to stay super fast because we only only start playing and streaming videos to your site when they're interacted with. So there's no initial load. And so that's super important for having a great, slick, professional portfolio site.